Hello, hello, change managers. How is everybody doing? Hope everybody had a lovely weekend. Happy belated St. Patrick's Day. No, I'm wearing pink and not green. But I wanted to give some shout outs to say thank you for upping your game on your discussion questions. I really enjoyed reading the postings about the core needs and the voices and the papers on Lincoln's primary voice. It's just been great. Thank you so much for that. You guys are really doing a good job. In regards to papers, written assignments, please do not include the week number and the assignment number in the title. It is not needed or necessary. It's not part of the title, so please do not use that in the title. And make sure this is the last week. So please make sure you are doing your best to post your discussion questions on time and including all the required information for the assignments, okay? Home stretch, everybody. So put it in gear and we'll see you at the finish line, okay? Have a good week ahead.